Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some methods if your Tmodloader is not launching or opening. So first of all, you'll have to find your Tmodloader. I don't have it, so I'm showing you another application. Right click on that, go to properties. From here you'll have to go to install files, and then you'll have to verify integrity of game files. So after pressing this, Steam will verify the integrity of the files and fix any issue they can find. So after that, launch your Tmodloader and see if the issue is fixed or not. If you still are having issue, what you can do is you can uninstall Tmodloader and install it again. So to do that, right click on Tmodloader, find the manage, and then press uninstall. So simply uninstall it and then go to the Tmodloader page again to download it again. So if you still having the problem of it not loading, what you can do is you can go to your browser and search for .NET 9 download and simply download .NET 9.0. So after you go to this website, and then you'll have to select your bit. If you are using 64-bit, search for the click on the 64-bit one. So if you're using Linux or macOS, you can use the other here as well. So simply install it and then see if the issue still persists or not. So hopefully these methods will successfully bypass your issue. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.